Hello everyone, today we received the two golden from the Poland customer. Today we will use our Nexus to make some design with the ring. So let's go to see the process.
对，等等。
A few moments later.